Rosemary and mint oil will grow your hair, stop your hair from breakage, and it will make your hair thick when used properly. Hello, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If this is your first time here, don't forget to subscribe, like, and share this video. This is a wash day routine using Mielle Rosemary Mint Oil line, and this is an unsponsored video. So this is going to be an honest review about this line. So I'm going to start by detangling my hair. I'm just spraying my hair with water. This is one of the best detangler I've come across out here. So looking for detangler recommendation, this spray shampoo over here. This is the best ever. Look at this. For this detangler to work well, you want to spray your hair with water, then you apply it. It will work very, very well when you spray your hair with water after. So this is my hair. This is my 4C hair after detangling my hair. And this is one of the best detangler I've ever used in my hair. Unless if you have any other recommendation that will detangle my hair very quickly, please let me know in the comment section, please. Mielle Organics is no longer blacked on. There is a lot of debates that has been going on online whether they are going to change their ingredients with the new products that they are making. Hopefully they're not going to change any of the ingredients so that they can match our, because some of these products are really working well on our 4C hair. And before you start your wash day, you always want to saturate your hair with water. I always like to saturate my hair with water to help with moisture retention. But anyway, our 4C hair or your natural hair will always love water. So I'm starting with this Mielle Rosemary Mint shampoo. Mielle Rosemary Mint Strengthening Shampoo has some nice ingredients like biotin, certified organic ingredients such as coconut and babasu seed oil. These are ingredients that are very good, especially if you have weak hair strand. They're going to strengthen your hair. They're going to make your hair, they're going to stimulate hair growth from the scalp. Mielle Organics claims that this shampoo will provide intense moisture for your hair type. So it's for all hair types, so anybody can use it regardless of your hair type. And also you just need to use a little bit of it. It does lathers a lot. That is one thing that I realized the moment I put this shampoo in my hair. But we will see at the end of this wash day if this product lives with the claims. So I'm just going to rinse off my hair. I do love to wash my hair in section. It helps a lot if your hair is always tangled. If you're trying to grow your hairline back, you want to make sure that when you're washing your hair, you want to massage your hair as you go, as massaging your hair helps with blood circulation, hence promote hair growth. So I'm just going to rinse off my hair. My 4C hair do loves water, so I'm just going to rinse it off. My hair is not that long enough to stay in sections anyway, so I try to make it stay in section as much as I can, but I also unveil the sections and make sure that I saturate it with water. This water is not hot. As you can see, it might seem hot, but it's just warm. I just love to saturate my hair with wood. So how is Mielle Rosemary Mint Strengthening Shampoo left my hair? So my hair is very clean. The one thing I like about this shampoo is that it does lather well, and I feel my hair is clean. My hair is clean and my hair is not stripped out of its natural oil. And also I just love the way it does define. I just love the way it does define my 4C hair. As you can see, my hair is a little bit clean, and with the fact that I did start by detangling my hair. My hair is not tangled at the moment. So this is one shampoo. I think they've not changed the formula. Of how it used to be. So I think it's just the same, because I bought this I bought this shampoo after all the saga went out. So yes, so this is one shampoo that you can use, and I like the fact that it leaves my hair clean. It doesn't dry my hair out, and it does what it says it does what it says it does. And this is the state of my hair at the moment. So anybody can use this shampoo. It's for all hair types. It has rosemary and mint, which are very good for strengthening your hair and for hair growth. So yes, this is the state of my hair at the moment. You need to try washing your hair. It's coming out. I'll show you how much hair has come out, but this is the state of my hair. You can see how it is. You can see it's actually tangled. It's not tangled up together the way sometimes if I wash my hair. Sometimes if you wash your hair when it's not in protective style, or when it's not in twist, you know how sometimes your hair becomes so tangled. So for you to avoid that, you can try washing your hair in twist or in braids. I find it good, and my hair is clean, and I feel like my hair is very clean and my hair is moisturized. So let's move to the deep conditioner. This is Mielle Rosemary Mint Strengthening Hair Mask. It has a very thick formula, as you can see on my hand. So the best way to use this product is to apply it on the damp skin. If you apply it on the damp skin, you'll get the best sleep. And also this product has a very thick formula. It is infused with rosemary, sesame oil, honey and coconut oil. So this mask, Mielle say it offers hydration and nourishment to your hair that has been craving. So I always add a little bit of oil in my hair products, especially if the product has a thick consistency. This helps a lot with the product to loosen up and helps you to detangle. So that's why you're seeing I've added a little bit of oil in it. I've added a little bit of almond oil. And also after you're applying a product, if you're applying a product and you don't have a slip, don't add more product. You want to spray your hair with water instead. Spraying your hair with water helps a lot with the product to distribute in your hair strand, and hence makes the detangling easy. So I went ahead and applied this product all over my hair. You want to make sure that you concentrate on the areas that you have problems with. Like I do have a lot of problems with my hairline. I'm trying to grow my hairline back. So then I went ahead and put my hair in heat cup. I'll actually put this heat cup on the description box below. I find it so good as it regulate the heat in your hair. Then I went and sit under heat cup for 15 minutes, and look at my hair. This is how my hair came out. It was very soft and very nice. Then I went ahead and just rinse off the mask or the deep conditioner, and this is how my hair turns out. So if you're somebody who suffers from very dry hair, this is a sign for you to start using deep conditioners in your wash day routine. So how did Mielle Rosemary Mint Strengthening Hair Mask left my hair? The first thing is that my hair is very, very, very soft, and the fact that I did put my hair in heat cup for 15 minutes, that is a very big game changer. It will make the products to actually absorb to the hair strand. It opens the hair strand, and this is how my hair looks like. It's very soft, very soft. Look at how it is. It's soft, it detangles, and my curls are actually at the moment, my curls are popping. So this is a sign for you to start using deep conditioners in your hair. How is it? The only problem I always have with this Mielle Rosemary Mint Strengthening Hair Mask is that it's a very thick consistency. Yes, I know deep conditioners are supposed to be thick with the consistency, but this one is thick. It is very thick. It is a very thick product. So the only way you're going to use it, or the only way that it's going to for you to use it without wasting your product, is that you want to use it on a damp hair or when your hair is still soaking wet. With that, it will it will go well with your hair, and it will detangle your hair very well. So my hair is soft, my hair is moisturized, so it's time for you to start using deep conditioners in your hair. And I love the way it leaves my hair soft and very moistured. So this is one product from Mielle Rosemary Mint line that I actually love, and I will still continue using it. I wish they make it a little bit not so thick. Otherwise, when it is very thick like that, we use a lot of product, and these products are very expensive anyway. A hair treatment mask is like £14, £15. They are expensive.
Am I the only one that dries our hair with a t-shirt? I do dry. I find it speeding up my hair drying process, and like if I just leave it to hair dry. So I just went ahead, and my hair is still very soft. It is still very, very soft. So I'm going to use Mielle leave-in conditioner, and I'm going to use this As I Am Restore and Repair Jamaica Black Castor Water. It has vitamin C, E and ceramides, which are very good to nourish your hair. So I just like the way my hair is at the moment. And after applying the leave-in conditioner, you want to make sure that you apply a lightweight oil to seal in all the moisture. Sweetheart, you don't want to leave your hair like that. Seal in that moisture so that your hair can stay moistured for a little longer. Then I'm using this Mielle Rosemary Mint oil. This oil will grow your hair, yes, but you also need to use it properly. After applying it on your scalp, apply it direct on your scalp, and you want to massage your scalp after using this product. And if you have a low porosity hair, you want to sit under heat cap for 10 to 15 minutes. It will help this product to penetrate right on your scalp. And so I'm just going to apply it all over my scalp and make sure that it is everywhere on my scalp, because this product helps a lot with hair growth. And you want to focus on the areas that you have problematic. Like I have problems with my hairline. I'm trying to grow back my hairline after giving birth, so I am trying to focus a lot on those areas. So I just went ahead and undo my hair. This is how my hair is. Yes, my hair is a little bit, I always try to check the length of my hair, but because I have fussy hair, it does shrink. Then I go in with this age control. Okay, it's an age control. Well, it won't hold your hair for long. It won't hold in for long, especially if you have fussy hair like my hair. It does not hold the hair for long. So I just use it to just put my hair back in cornrows, because you don't want to leave your hair out like this at the moment. It is very drying outside. You want to protect your hair. Then I went ahead and added a little bit of this Mielle Rosemary Mint oil on my scalp, direct on my scalp, and I just went ahead and massaged it a little bit. And at this point, my daughter was so tired and she wanted to give mommy a hug, because I was just doing this hair wash and I was just alone with her. And she came up and I gave her cuddles, and she loves being on my videos. And this is how my hair turned out. Let me know in the comment section if you have tried this Mielle Rosemary Mint line. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please do so, and I will see you on my next video. Thank you and bye bye.